Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to walk through a very common but important task, migrating all your data from Google Workspace over to Zoho Mail. This might sound like a huge, complicated job, but Zoho has a fantastic feature called one-click migration that simplifies the entire process. I'm going to guide you through every single step, from preparing your Google account to starting the migration in Zoho, so let's dive right in. The most critical part of this entire process happens before you even log into Zoho, and that's preparing your Google Workspace account. First, you need to head over to the Google Cloud platform at console.cloud.google.com and create a new project specifically for this migration. Once your project is active, you must enable a few essential APIs to allow Zoho to access the data. Search for and enable the Gmail API, the Google Calendar API, the Contacts API, and the Admin SDK API. After the APIs are enabled, you will create a new service account within this project. During the service account creation, you'll be prompted to create a key. Make sure you select the JSON format and download this key file to your computer. Keep this file safe, as it's the secure key Zoho will use. The final preparation step in Google is to delegate domain-wide authority. For this, go to your Google Workspace admin console at admin.google.com, navigate to Security, find API Controls, and then click on Domain-Wide Delegation. Here, you'll add a new API client, using the client ID from the service account you just created. You will then need to paste in a list of specific API scopes, which Zoho provides, to grant the necessary permissions for the migration. With the Google setup complete, the rest of the process is much more straightforward. Log into your Zoho Mail admin console and find Data Migration in the menu. Click to start a new migration and give it a descriptive name. When asked for the source, choose Google Workspace. Now, you'll need that JSON file we downloaded earlier. Upload the file when prompted, and also enter the email address of a super administrator for your Google Workspace account. Click Authenticate, and Zoho will establish a secure connection. The next screen is for mapping your users. Zoho will automatically fetch a list of all your users from Google Workspace and try to match them with the corresponding users in your Zoho organization. Carefully review this list to ensure everyone is mapped correctly, and deselect anyone you don't wish to migrate. After confirming the users, you get to choose exactly what data you want to move. You can select mail, contacts, and calendar data. Zoho also gives you granular control, allowing you to set a date range for emails or to exclude specific folders from the migration, which is incredibly useful. Once you have configured all your preferences, the final step is to click the Start Migration button. Zoho will begin the process in the background, and you can monitor its progress directly from the migration dashboard. You'll see the status for each user, whether it's in progress, completed, or has failed. If any migration fails, you can easily view the error and retry it for that specific user. And that is how you successfully migrate your data using Zoho's one-click migration tool. Taking the time to prepare the Google service account correctly makes all the difference. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope this guide has made the process clearer for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.